In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Canva. This is a fantastic skill for graphic design enthusiasts or anyone looking to create compelling visuals with ease. Working with layers can significantly enhance your design workflow, allowing you to have better control over the elements in your project. Start by opening your Canva project and locating the element you wish to work with on your design canvas. It could be text, an image, or any other graphic component you've added. To begin managing your layers, simply right-click on the element you've selected. Right-clicking opens up a menu that gives you access to several options specific to the item you're working with. In this menu, look for the option labeled Layer. Hover your mouse over this option to reveal additional controls associated with layers. This small detail is crucial for the next steps. After hovering, you'll see a sub-menu pop up. Within this sub-menu, click on Show Layers to display the layer panel. This panel provides an overview of all the elements currently on your canvas, giving you a bird's eye view of your project. Once the layers panel is open, you can freely manipulate the stacking order of the elements. To adjust a layer, click on it in the layers panel, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to your desired position. This drag and drop functionality allows you to layer elements above or below each other to achieve the perfect arrangement. Experiment with different positions until you're satisfied with how everything looks. By rearranging layers, you can bring certain elements to the foreground or send others to the background, adjusting your design to your liking. Remember, while moving layers around, your ultimate goal should be to enhance the overall visual harmony of your design. That's it. You've now learned how to efficiently use layers in Canva to take your design skills to the next level. Mastering layers provides greater flexibility and opens up a world of creative possibilities. Have fun experimenting with layering and let your creativity shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, continue exploring other Canva features to further expand your design proficiency. Thanks for watching and happy designing.